video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com.
Hi, I'm Blair from Lovejay Beauty, and today we're here to play with a little bit of natural skincare and Gua Sha. So we'll start by prepping the skin with some awesome natural skincare products and highlight the natural piece because our skin is our largest organ and it absorbs almost everything that we put on it. So really it should be thought of kind of like a digestive system and tracked all on its own. So when choosing products to put on, you can kind of think about the products like food. And when you're looking at the ingredient list, try to choose things that you could find in your kitchen or find in nature because again, your body's going to be absorbing it and digesting it. So we're going to start with a cleansed face. So choosing whatever kind of cleanser works best for you. There's so many different cleansers out there, oil cleansers, gel cleansers, milky cleansers. So just choosing what feels right for your skin. And then the next step in any great skincare routine is a toner or a hydration mist. So after cleansing the skin, we'll gently spray on a hydration mist. Hopefully it smells really nice, it feels calming and relaxing, but it also serves a function on the skin. So it helps to kind of work with the skin's pH and natural chemistry to help you absorb the next layer that you put on in your skincare a little bit better. So today we're gonna put on a water-based serum, hyaluronic acid. This is a really cool serum that combines hyaluronic acid with green tea. Hyaluronic acid is great for helping the skin bind and retain moisture. It helps to keep the skin plump, smooth out fine lines, and then also help the next layer of moisture bind and penetrate the skin a little bit more deeply. So just massaging all over the face. And you can also keep this layer a little dewy so that it will bind with the next layer. And next up, we've got a lovely face oil. This face oil specifically contains something called astaxanthin, which is an algae that's really great for evening out skin tone. Its antioxidant properties are 6,000 times that of vitamin C. So it helps to protect the skin from any free radicals, smog, smoke, environmental toxins that we encounter just by living. And we'll rub this in. And a little facial massage along the way. And then lastly, we'll finish with a little eye cream before we go on to our treatment. So patting the eye cream just on the occipital bone. We don't need to get super close to the eye because then creams can bleed into the eyes, which is irritating. Also, this is one of the things that causes natural makeup to run is when we get too much eye cream. We simply just tap on the occipital bone and in the areas where fine lines and crow's feet form. And doing this tapping motion as opposed to rubbing will help it sit on the skin instead of rubbing off. All right, now that the skin is prepped, we'll take our Gua Sha tool And Gua Sha is an ancient tool that's made from different types of stones. Today we have a jade stone, but oftentimes you'll see Gua Shas that are rose quartz or maybe black obsidian. Those are probably the most common. And they come in different shapes, but all kind of variations of this shape that you see here. And the shapes really help to get into different parts of the face, even the neck, the shoulders. This one has an added little bonus of having a comb on the side so you can work into the scalp, give yourself a little scalp massage. So we'll start with the long, somewhat straight edge of the Gua Sha on the neck. So we'll gently turn the head to one side, and then taking the long side and gently stroking up. We keep the Gua Sha kind of tilted in the direction that we're pulling. So keeping it somewhat close in on the skin. In an upward motion. This is going to help to relieve neck tension, as well as start to open up the lymph channels. And then we'll turn to the other side. Most of the lymph nodes reside in this area right here in the neck. So starting here opens up those channels, allowing the lymph to flow. And then coming back to center, we take this edge that has a little indentation and we very lightly run it up the neck all the way to the chin. And we keep this feather light. It doesn't need a lot of pressure. You can already see just by this little bit, the circulation start to increase in the neck area. Next, we'll stick with this part of the Gua Sha, and we'll keep the Gua Sha almost in line with the chin, just a slight tilt. And we'll start in the center of the face, hugging the jawline, coming up into the jawbone, giving a little wiggle where a lot of tension is held. And we'll do this 3 to 5 times in each position. From here, we'll go back to this longer curved edge and get a little bit more of the jawline and the cheekbone. And giving a little wiggle at the end. So we've already mentioned that the Gua Sha can help to move lymph in the body, which is really important for keeping the immune system healthy. It also improves overall circulation in the face. Next, we'll take our short, flat end and start just above the outside of the lip, close into the nose, working from the inside out to the temples. And improving circulation in the face helps to keep skin young, glowing, free from acne. And then we'll stay with this side of the Gua Sha, and we'll work in the corners of the eyes, keeping this pressure very light. And then moving to the eyebrows. Again, working with this small side, starting at the inner corner of the eyebrow and working out. By moving the lymph and the fluid in the face, can also depuff. So if we're dehydrated, have had a little bit too much to drink, maybe low on sleep, Gua Sha can help to reduce facial puffiness. And then we can work on the middle of the forehead, that third eye space, the area where we hold so much tension, the home of the infamous 11s that we get from squinting. We always go in an upward motion, lifting motion. And then we can take the longer, slightly curved edge, smoothing out the forehead. And you'll see we always go out to the temple area. And then at the end, we bring everything that we've worked out to the side, back down the face, down the neck, letting the lymph system do its work and get rid of any toxins, waste. And then once you finish with one side, we do the same routine on the other side. So again, starting with this curved area, coming right next to the jawline, hugging the jawline, coming to the jawbone, giving a little shake. There's various tips and techniques about Gua Sha. I follow 3 guidelines, and from there, there's lots of flexibility. So again, we're going to the long edge, moving from the middle of the face out. The first rule is opening up the neck channels like we did at the beginning. Second, you always want to start from the middle of the face with the movements and go up and out. And then lastly, we bring everything back down to let the lymph channels do the work. So coming to the shorter edge again, starting by the nose, just above the lips. Working out and up. And then targeting the outer eyes. Again, feather light pressure here, doesn't take much. Gua Sha has been around for centuries. It originated in China. And then coming Going to the eyebrows. And then back to the middle of the forehead, that third eye space. And we're using a jade stone today. And for beauty, jade is known as the beauty stone. So the stone that is promised the fountain of youth, and that eternal glow. Energetically, it's good for good luck, abundance, and an open heart. And then lastly, we'll draw everything back down. An added little bonus at the end, because we have the comb. After we've completed the ritual, we'll simply take the comb, starting at the hairline, working back, and giving really gentle strokes, a little head massage. It's such a great tool to keep on hand, because it's easy to do on your own if you don't have someone else to do it for you. Also a great tool to help relieve headaches. And now we're to the end of our Gua Sha session. And because one of the benefits of Gua Sha is helping product absorb into the face just by that gentle pressing motion, a lot of the facial oil has been absorbed, so it may feel nice as is, or if you want to add an extra layer of oil or moisturizer, especially if you're going to bed just for an added treat, you can do that now. Hope you enjoyed this Gua Sha session, and hopefully you'll join us for our Yoga with Healthy Aging. And visit our website at lovejaybeauty.com for more information about yoga, skincare rituals, including Gua Sha, and even opportunities to practice yoga with guided Gua Sha at our studio. Thanks so much. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you haven't already, follow us on social media for tips, tutorials, giveaways, and daily inspiration.
We at Wellness Plus specialize in all things health and wellness, ranging from yoga and fitness to massage and ASMR. Whether you are looking to target specific areas of tension or want to enhance your general self-care routine, we provide the tools you need to feel better, look better, and live better. We have courses for every level, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro. Our courses provide a wide range in difficulty to accommodate your evolving flow.
Welcome back to Yoga with Jess. We are going to break down some really essential postures.
We are going to rock out with some of the most essential ab exercises that you need to have the abs that you've always dreamed of.
I've blended techniques to help you connect with students, and you can be a rock star teacher.
Wellness Plus is available on Amazon, which you can stream from your home on your phone, tablet, or TV. Join Wellness Plus today and get your first 7 days free.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.